Let's start part 2. At the surgery. Here, what is the surgery? Surgery is the name of the hospital of Dr. Heriot. The household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, Tricky lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, who were already there, patients, okay, they were getting treatment under the observation of Dr. Heriot. Those dogs came and took round or sniffing around, okay, or smelling that dog Tricky. When Tricky did not respond to them, then those dogs found that Tricky uninteresting object and started ignoring him. Okay, so here one thing I'll tell you about Dr. Heriot. Dr. James Heriot is a competent veterinary surgeon, students. He is really worried about Tricky's health. He understands that the real fault of the dog is his greed for food. Dr. Heriot instructed Mrs. Pumphrey to keep Tricky on a very strict diet. Dr. James Heriot is a practical and pragmatic. He does not give any medical treatment to dog. Let's see what he will do. First day, I made up a bed for him. Who's him over here? Tricky. Okay. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him. Meant to say, he started show some interest in his surrounding. For 2 days, Dr. Heriot did not give food to Tricky because Tricky had already overeaten. It was not in the condition to move even because of overeating. Okay, for 2 days doctor did not give him food. It had been given only food, as you can see in this line. Okay, food was not given, but plenty of water was given to Tricky. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surrounding, and on the third day he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Mean to say, in the hospital it was the routine of Dr. Heriot. Then in day time, 2 or 3 hours, he used to leave the dogs in the garden of surgery, means of that hospital. Dogs used to run here and there. On the third day, when Tricky got a bit normal health, okay, by hearing the sound of the dogs, let's see what he did. When I opened the door, meant to say, when Dr. Heriot opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Meant to say, where Tricky was lying in the room, so doctor opened the door by which Tricky could see the garden or that empty place where dogs were running. So Tricky also wanted to go with his friends, with the other dogs also. After rolling him and thoroughly inspected him, the dogs moved off down the garden. When Tricky came out of that door in that empty space, okay, those dogs came near Tricky, but soon they ignored, and the dogs moved off down and they started playing. Tricky started following him. As students, you must have seen in your streets also, dogs play in a group or run in a group. So here Tricky also wanted to join the company, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. So Tricky was also following or running behind them or walking with a problem or some hard work, you can say. Later that day, meant to say, one thing you need to concentrate over here, that this was the third day when Tricky showing some movement in his body, and for first 2 days or first Tricky did not get the food from Dr. Heriot. He was just drinking plenty of water. Okay, so for the day labor, later that day I was present at feeding time. This was the food time for the dogs. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Meant to say, the helper of doctor. Tristan, he had fed the dogs bowl or filled the dogs' bowls. There was a usual headlong rush followed by the sound of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Mean to say, this routine used to happen there. Mean to say, dogs used to snatch their food, or dog used to struggle. It was a need to struggle to get the food. If by chance any dog left behind, naturally some competition was there, and last or leftover will be eaten by that dog only. So first day what happened, Tricky was left behind because of his obesity. And one more thing happened over here, that in Mrs. Pumphrey's house, Tricky used to be served by Mrs. Pumphrey after every hour. Okay, mean to say, in the house of Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky had never faced struggle of eating, but here other dogs were also snatching the food. So on the third day even, Tricky remained hungry because other dogs had already eaten everything. So on that day, Tricky had learnt one thing, that if it wants to get food, Tricky will have to make struggle for it. This thing Tricky had learnt. When the dog had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, meant to say the balls which had already been licked by other dogs, casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra ball put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it, meant to say next day. Tricky learned this trick, that he will have to do struggle if he wants to have his food, and extra ball was kept there for Tricky. So total 3 days Tricky did not eat food. Okay, or we can also say that Dr. Heriot did not give food to Tricky for 3 days. Okay, by which it would at least move, or his stomach will be cleared properly. Okay, so let's start what is written over here. From then on, his progress was rapid. Okay, his progress means whose progress? Tricky's progress. Then Tricky started enjoying the company of the dogs. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang now. Which gang? Group of dogs here are unlikely. Meant to say, after 3 to 4 days, those dogs had naturally a familiar tone. Okay, or they recognized or accepted Tricky as the group member. Silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times, and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So here basically what Dr. Heriot is doing, Dr. Heriot's purpose was to give Tricky a better exercise. Okay, so here Tricky was getting the exercise of running or catching rats, and many more exercises he was being given there. Slowly and gradually, Tricky started developing the stamina or walking like. Okay, all the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Mean to say, what happened here, we can't forget about Mrs. Pumphrey. She was so much worried about Tricky that in a whole day she used to make call a dozen times, means 12 times in a day, for asking about the latest news of Tricky. I dodged a question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly, his correct coat worn according to the weather or not. Mean to say, these kind of queries Mrs. Pumphrey used to ask, that whether they are giving him regular cushions or not, whether they are changing his clothes or giving him clothes according to the weather or not. This kind of worry or care Mrs. Pumphrey used to show. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger. So Dr. Heriot basically just informed Mrs. Pumphrey that your dog is out of danger now. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. At least she would be relaxed at her house by hearing this. She started to bring round fresh eggs 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. Now one new thing Mrs. Pumphrey started doing, she started sending the food, like as it is written over here, fresh eggs 2 dozen at a time, to build Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs. Here, see children, what is happening. Mrs. Pumphrey was sending food or extra meal for her dog. But see, who was enjoying that food? Dr. Heriot as well as his hospital staff was eating all the eggs. Lunch became ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine. So these things you can write in a list, that what things were being sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for her dog, but Mr. Heriot was not ready to give that stuff to the Tricky.